Hello YouTube. In this video, I would like to demonstrate the program I used in an earlier video, in which the eyes of the display of the EV3 brick look left and right at random intervals. To do this, we need to look at the software, which is LEGO Mindstorms EV3 Home Edition for Windows. I have opened the program. As you can see, this is a very basic program. You will notice the bricks have different colors. This is to make it easier for you to find the type of bricks you are looking for. For example, if you look at the bottom, you will notice 6 tabs with bricks inside. If you hover over the tabs, you will see there is an action tab, a flow tab, a sensor tab, a data operations tab, an advanced tab, and a My Blocks tab. I will go into more detail about each brick in another video. In this program, you can see that I have used bricks from the Action, Flow Control, and Data Operations tab. These are the Start brick, a Loop brick, Display brick, the Brick Status Light brick, a Random brick, and a Wait brick. The Start brick tells the EV3 to run whatever program it is attached to when started on the EV3. The next brick is the Loop brick. As you can see, the rest of the bricks sit inside the Loop brick, which is set in this program to run forever. However, you can set it to repeat however many times you want, or until something else such as button push or sensor reading occur. The next brick in the chain is the Display brick, and this controls the screen on the front of the EV3 brick. You can display text, shapes such as lines, circles, etc., or images. There's also a reset screen which will reset the screen from a previous function or operation. In this program, I am displaying images. You can select an image by clicking the file name box in the top right hand corner of the brick. By using the drop-down menu, you can see there are a lot of images that can be displayed. You can even create your own, but you will have to remember the EV3 display is monochrome / black and gray with a resolution of 178 by 128 pixels. Once you select an image, it will be placed at the top of the list for easy access. I have used the awake, pinch middle, pinch left, and pinch right images in this program. You can use whatever you like. There is a display preview button at the top left corner of the display brick that allows you to see which image you have selected. The next brick I have is the Brick Status Light. You can choose to have it on, off, or reset. You can choose the color green, orange, or red. I have set it to green. You can set it to pulse on and off by setting this to true, or on constantly by setting to false. I have set it to pulse on and off. The next 2 bricks I have used is the Random brick and the Wait brick. The Random brick allows you to randomly generate a number between whatever parameters you set. In this case, I have set it between 0.5 and 10. Because the Random brick is connected to the Wait brick and the Wait brick is set to time, the numbers represent seconds. So in this case, the random block will generate a number between 0.5 and 10 and will send that number to the Wait block, which will wait for that amount of time before proceeding to the next brick in the chain. I have also used the random block in other programs to control the steering of a robot. It will randomly generate a number that will control which way the robot turns and the angle of the turn. I will show that in another video. The random block can also be used to randomly generate true or false statements. The Wait block forces the program to wait until a condition is met before the program can move on to the next part of the program. As I have mentioned before, in this case, the Wait block is set to wait a certain amount of time, but it can also be used to wait until another condition is met, such as until a button on the EV3 is pushed, or until the light intensity or color changes if using the color sensor, or until the motor turns a certain number of times, etc. In this case, once the wait block has waited the amount of time generated by the random block, the program moves to the next block, which in this case is another display block. This display block is displaying the image pinch middle. This display block is attached to another wait block set to time. I've manually set the time for this wait to 0.5 seconds before the program continues to the next block. The next block is another display block, which is displaying the image pinch left. It is then connected to another wait block that I have also set to 0.5 seconds. Lastly, there is another display block displaying the image pinch right. It is also connected to a wait block that is set to wait 0.5 seconds. After the loop is finished, the loop brick sends us back to the beginning of the program to do it all over again. Now, if I upload and run the program on the EV3, which is already connected to my PC with the USB cable, you can see the sequence of the program as it cycles through each block. The color bar on each block displays a movement pattern. The wait blocks will be easiest to see because the other blocks will cycle extremely fast. I hope this video was helpful in showing some of the basics and some of the more advanced features of programming the EV3. Please leave your comments or suggestions that may help others in the comments section below. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thank you.